Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best seal twister tool is probably one of the most innovative and practical gadgets you'll encounter for sealing various containers, from plastic bags to food packaging, ensuring freshness and preventing spills with its unique twisting mechanism. This versatile tool simplifies the process of keeping your food items fresh for longer periods, reducing waste and saving you money by extending the shelf life of your groceries. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use, making it an indispensable kitchen companion for anyone looking to maintain an organized and efficient pantry or refrigerator. Number 5. INSTACAN One-Touch Electric Jar Opener. Struggling to open jars? Our powerful electric opener removes lids with high efficiency, making it easy to solve your kitchen struggles. It's perfect for those tough, new sealed lids. Opening jars is now as simple as pressing a button. It automatically rotates 360 degrees to open the lid and shuts off when done. It's a must-have kitchen appliance. Specifically designed for anyone experiencing hand pain or weakness. Whether you have arthritis, carpal tunnel, or simply less strength, it provides a comfortable, pain-free experience. Its adjustable jaws easily accommodate almost all jar caps, with an opening size range from 1.2 to 3.5 inches in diameter. Its compact design also makes it easy to store. This makes an ideal gift for seniors or anyone who needs a little extra help in the kitchen. Surprise them with this thoughtful and practical present for any occasion. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Contact us via email if needed, and we'll get back to you promptly. For best results, always ensure the bottle body is dry before use. If the bottle has been refrigerated, wipe it dry with paper before opening. What we like? This electric jar opener offers superior torque for effortless lid removal. It's designed for those with weak hands or arthritis, making kitchen tasks accessible again. If you struggle with opening jars due to hand pain or limited strength, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Works well, glad we got it for my parents. We tried it with the tightest jar we could find. Worked every time. Super easy to use. We'll be purchasing another for my house. I love this jar opener. I was in a bad accident years ago and have severe pain in both my hands now. I am almost 62 years old and I don't normally write reviews unless it is a game changer, and this is. I can no longer open any jars. This electric jar opener is a lifesaver. If you have problems opening jars like I do, I would highly recommend this opener. It is so easy to use, if it wasn't I would have sent it back. Number 4. MORGLES 9-piece professional tweezers and nail clippers set. Introducing a comprehensive 9-piece grooming set designed for both men and women. This kit includes everything you need for your daily routine, all neatly organized in a stylish leather case. Experience precision like never before. These tools are designed to easily grip and remove even the finest hairs without slipping or breaking them. Achieve smooth skin with confidence. Tackle even the toughest nails effortlessly. The sharp blades and ergonomic design ensure a smooth trim, leaving nails perfectly shaped without any burrs. Crafted from durable, surgical-grade stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They are waterproof, easy to clean, and feature a beautiful matte finish that makes them easy to spot. Keep your grooming essentials protected and organized in the included portable leather case. It's perfect for travel or simply keeping your tools tidy at home. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile grooming set makes an excellent choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion for your loved ones. We like. This is a complete grooming kit with precisely aligned tweezers for easy hair removal. The sharp clippers trim nails effortlessly, and all tools are made from durable stainless steel. If you're looking for a versatile, high-quality grooming set for travel or daily use, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The tweezers work very well and include just about every tip style you could want: straight, angled, pointed, and precision styles, making the set useful for grooming, splinters, and fine detail work. All pieces feel solid and well made from stainless steel. These are perfect. Do not feel cheap. Easy to use. Perfect size. Great compact. Sharp and sturdy. These items are sharp and precise. Everything in this kit is well made for the price, and I'm super satisfied with my purchase. The point on the scissors you do need to be careful with, they are super sharp. The case is also well made, and I have had these for a good while and use them all the time, and I have not a single issue to report. Number 3. African Pride Black Castor Miracle Extra Hold Braid Gel. Tired of frizz and flyaways? This professional braiding gel smooths your hair, boosts shine, and keeps your styles sleek and polished with minimal effort. Achieve serious hold power with this formula that delivers firm control without stiffness or flakes. It's perfect for locking in styles while maintaining flexibility and natural movement. Infused with black castor oil, it nourishes your scalp and supports natural hair growth. This nutrient-rich gel strengthens hair at the root, keeping styles tight and healthy looking. Formulated with coconut oil, it deeply conditions and hydrates each strand. This helps repair damage and protect against dryness and breakage, keeping your hair healthy. Made with only natural ingredients, it protects and nourishes your hair without harsh chemicals. It's free from parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, and petrolatum for healthy, hydrated curls. What we like? This braiding gel provides extreme hold for styles like braids and locks, while also taming frizz and boosting shine. It's enriched with black castor oil and coconut oil for hair nourishment. If you need a reliable gel that keeps your protective styles looking neat and healthy without flakes, this is the product for you. What people say. The Seal Twister tool is a game changer for sealing jars. It creates an airtight seal every time, ensuring freshness. I love how easy the Seal Twister tool is to use. Just twist and seal, it's that simple. No more struggling with lids. The design of the Seal Twister tool is very ergonomic and fits comfortably in my hand. It makes sealing jars a breeze. Number 2. Hydraulic Seal Installation Tool Set. Introducing our 6-piece hydraulic seal installation tool set. This kit is designed to make installing seals easier and faster than ever before. You'll receive 4 sizes of seal twister tools, a versatile 2-sided seal pick, and a convenient mounting block. Everything you need for the job. Save your thumbs and prevent damage to seals. Our tools bend seals into the perfect shape for easy insertion into cylinder grooves. These tools accommodate a wide range of seal sizes, from 0.7 inches to 6.5 inches, ensuring compatibility with most applications. The included seal pick features 2 angles for both piercing and carefully leveraging seals out of bores. It's perfect for delicate removal. For added convenience and stability, a plastic block handle holder is included. You can screw it to your workbench for extra leverage on tough seals. What we like? This hydraulic seal installation tool set includes a variety of twister tools and a seal pick for easy seal insertion. It bends the seal into a manageable shape, saving your thumbs and time. If you frequently work with hydraulic cylinders and need a robust, versatile tool set for installing seals of various sizes without damage, this is a must-have. What people say. All 3 took less than 10 seconds each with this tool, with no damage to the seal whatsoever. The rods are nicely plated with rubber-coated handles, and the body of the tool is a very hard plastic. The correct tool allowed me to install the inner seal in less than 15 seconds, with 0 frustrations. Number 1. 3-piece hydraulic cylinder seal install tool set. Struggling to install hydraulic cylinder inner seals or O-rings by hand? Most people find it a difficult and time-consuming task. But now, there's an easier way. This universal kit guides the seal into an omega shape, allowing it to safely pass over sharp edges. Unlike using screwdrivers, it provides a non-destructive installation, protecting your components. Get your hydraulic cylinder inner seals installed successfully in under 30 seconds. It saves your thumbs and your valuable time, making this task a breeze. This set includes 3 sizes to fit various rod diameters and cross-section sizes. From small to large, there's a tool for almost any job. The rubber grip design significantly reduces hand fatigue and discomfort during installation. Enjoy a much better and more comfortable experience every time. Say goodbye to the frustration of installing inner seals. This tool set ensures a smooth and successful installation every single time. What we like? This hydraulic cylinder seal installation tool kit is designed for quick, non-destructive installation of inner seals. It guides the seal into an omega shape, allowing it to safely cross the gland and spring into place. If you're looking for a simple, efficient way to install hydraulic cylinder seals in automotive or ship applications and want to avoid damaging components or injuring yourself, this kit is ideal. What people say. 3 different sizes that can handle all your seal installations. Durable to last a lifetime. Instructions on packaging for easy installation. Saw it used on a YouTube video. Worked great, have used it twice so far. Way better than nicking expensive seals by trying to install them with a screwdriver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.